Across the globe, forests are disappearing at an alarming rate, driving widespread habitat loss and threatening countless plant and animal species. Environmental experts warn that continued deforestation, largely fueled by agriculture, logging, and infrastructure development, is pushing ecosystems toward irreversible damage.
In the shadows where we stood, every whisper turned to stone, promises like...
In response, governments, nonprofit organizations, and grassroots groups are expanding reforestation and forest restoration programs. These initiatives aim not only to plant trees, but to restore native species and rebuilding ecological balance. In several regions, community-led efforts have begun to show promising results, with wildlife gradually returning to restored areas.
Stone promises like autumn leaves fell to silence all alone. Worn out memories in the dark, tracing paths we used to know.
However, experts caution that reforestation alone cannot solve the problem. As climate change intensifies, forests are increasingly recognized as a crucial defense against rising temperatures, absorbing carbon dioxide, and regulating weather patterns. Environmental advocates argue that stronger protections, sustainable land use practices, and public involvement are essential to saving forest loss.
Even so, oh, how the night drapes heavy like a shroud of heartbeat, sings a sorrow, counting every empty cost. We were dreamers in a journey, now the map is torn apart. Every step feels like a memory, carved into this broken heart. In the corners of my mind, pictures linger ghostly pale. Every touch a fragile whisper, love's sweet song, now just a wail. Sifting through these photographs, time has left its weary mark. You were light within my shadows, now it's just a question stark. Oh, how the night drapes heavy like a shroud of all that's lost. Each heartbeat sings a sorrow, counting every empty cost. We were dreamers in a journey, now the map is torn apart. Every step feels like a memory, carved into this broken heart. But if the stars could speak of longing, would they whisper of our fate? Would they share the weight of heartache, or the love that turned to hate? I'll keep searching through the ashes for a spark of what we had, though the light feels far from reaching my chest.
The future of the world's forests, they say, depends on choices made today, whether societies continue to trade long-term stability for short-term gain or commit to preserving and restoring the ecosystems that sustain life on Earth. This is Brenda Pineda reporting, Rebuilding the Wild.